How to target your ideal audience with Facebook ads. I am going to reveal my whole targeting strategy, how I do the targeting and what kind of audience I go after with, whether it's an interest or open targeting. I will tell you each and everything so that you can understand how Facebook ads work and you can use it for your business or for your client business. So for those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 70 million in revenue for my clients. If you think this video add value to your life or to your way you run Facebook ads, please hit the like button. Let's start the video. How to target your ideal audience with Facebook ads in 2024. Before telling you my exact strategy, I am going to tell you how Facebook ads work. See, you always start with an ad, right? This is an ad. For example, this is an image or video. This is your primary text. This is your headline. This is your call to action. Whenever you launch a Facebook ad, Facebook create a post ID, something like this. This is your complete ID. Similarly, the way organic content works, Facebook push it with the money. That is why we call it ads. So when you launch an ad, you are just creating an organic post with Facebook ad. And as Facebook starts showing that post to different people, it start reaching out to the people who resonate with that post. So if you want to target your ideal audience, you need to create ads that resonate with your ideal customer or ideal audience. So let me show you how Facebook do that. Let me just read this ad for you. Transform your nights with all our natural sleep gummies packed with ingredients like L-theanine, magnesium. They promote faster sleep onset and deeper rest without any melatonin. Feel the natural difference tonight. So this ad is about the gummies that do not promote melatonin and they use these ingredients to and help you get deeper sleeps, right? So what Facebook will do is Facebook will read each and everything. Primary text, headline, call to action, this text on the image, sleep soundly, no melatonin needed, this image, the background image. So Facebook will analyze each and every data point that your ad has. They even go to your website and see any false claim over there. Like if your landing page is not resonating with this, Facebook will not push your ad further, right? So what's going to happen? Facebook, as you launch this ad, Facebook will categorize your ad into these different categories. Like this ad is about supplements, health and wellness, quality sleep, natural gummies, deeper rest, natural product. So Facebook will automatically categorize your this product. After collecting all the data points from the Facebook ad, they will start putting you in these categories. This is one example of the gummies. Next example is about the gym wear. So enter the gym with ultimate confidence boost. The Pulse Muscle t-shirt is designed for those who prioritize comfort, style and performance. It is made from high quality cotton, offer a perfect fit to show off your body, available in range of colors and sizes. This is a very good creative and I would recommend like you can use it in your ad creatives, right? Like putting your website general keywords and they are just putting the keyword in the search bar and then your image is popping up. Now Facebook will put it in different categories. Gym wear, right? Clothing, performance wear, high quality, people searching on Google, style, active wear, right? So now Facebook will categorize this into different categories. This is not the exact categories. I'm just telling you how Facebook ads work. They will put your ad in front of people who are interested in these things, right? Similarly over here, nice gummies, women supplement. So for example, these nice gummies. So who are those people who are interested in the gummies, who want restful sleep, right? Now you can create a customer avatar, people who are into 30 to 40 years or 40 to 50 or young people. So you can categorize these people. Now it's a women brand, then you can showcase three types of women who are in 20 to 30 age range, 30 to 40 or 40 to 50. You see which image is resonating with those people, right? So now Facebook will again categorize this ad into different categories like women supplements, relaxing supplements, deep sleep, brain function, gummies, health and wellness. All of these things are coming from your ad. Tossing and turning, like you are not getting good sleep, nice sleep gummies are here to help you drift off faster and sleep deeper and wake up refreshed. The problem, This solution. This is also another great ad. You can use it for your brand. Difficulty falling asleep, poor sleep quality, irregular sleep patterns. Right. You are putting these pain points. So people who are facing these pain points, they will be shown this ad. Facebook has 10 plus years of data of how you are interacting on Facebook and on other websites. You visit different website on outside Facebook pixel is tracking each and everything, your user behavior, how you interact with these type of product. So Facebook is creating these groups for you, and then next step happen. So next example, this is another ad. World first daily hydration multivitamin, zero sugar, amazing flavor. This is a hydration powder you have been looking for, perfectly for daily hydration for you and the whole family, right? It can be used by each and every member in your family. Hydration supplement, yes. Multivitamin supplement, yes. People, zero sugar, sugar free. If you are diabetic, you always prefer a sugar free. And people who are interested in the lifestyle where they don't like to consume sugar, they can opt for this. It is like that. Better flavor, health and wellness, better value because it is giving you two types of things like hydration and multivitamins and minerals, right? This is how Facebook categorize your product by reading each and everything, whether it's an image or a video. Facebook will go from zero to end point to know what kind of stuff you have in this ad. So now what's going to happen? When you launch the ads, Facebook has categorized your stuff into these things. Now what's going to happen? People who are interested in supplements, right? This is one category of people who are interested in hydration and athletes. Like if you are searching on internet regarding the hydration supplement, you are also interested in this stuff, right? So people who are into multivitamin powders, right? People who are into health and wellness, people who are looking for better value option in the market, like if somebody is looking for two-in-one option where they can get hydration and they can get multivitamin in single pack, they will opt for this. People who are into health, people who are looking for just for health benefits, they are looking for this supplement. And there are people who are doing extreme hard work in the gym, and they are also athlete, so they can go opt for this, right? So this is how Facebook is recognizing your product. So this is how Facebook is categorizing your product into different categories, and people who are interested in those categories, Facebook will show it to them. If you have a brand who appeal to the younger audience, you can use younger person to tell about your product. If you have a product that who is benefiting the older age people, like people who are above 50 plus, you should put those kind of people in your video ads, image ads, whatever type of ads you want to create. You need to put that kind of face in your ad. So what's going to happen next is you launch this ad, right? How Facebook will respond? See, this is the complete post ID, right, where Facebook has categorized your ad into different. Now what's going to happen, based on the history or how good your ads are, Facebook will start showing your ad to 100 people, right? And put ad in front of 100 people, where if the person is happy to see that and they are clicking on they will show it to them. And people who are not happy with that ad, they will eliminate those type of people, and then again put your ad in different set of people. Again, people who are happy with the ad, they will show it to them, and people who are not happy with that ad, they will not show it to them. So this is how Facebook is optimizing your ad. You see, after putting your ad for 1 or 2 days or 3 days, Facebook ads is little bit stable because they are analyzing your ads, right? So after a couple of days, you see you are start getting the conversion because Facebook was able to find the correct audience for your ad, right? And this cycle goes on. If you do it this way, right, if you have a brand and you are able to identify what kind of customer you want to go after and create a better ad, a better value for them, Facebook, you will never have a problem of ad fatigues or inconsistent results, right? So you will always have that ad that always produce you results. And there are common myths about targeting, like Facebook will put ad in front of poor quality audiences. It never happens. You create bad ads, and that's why Facebook ads is not performing. If you want your Facebook ads to perform, you need to create better ads that resonate with your ideal audiences. This is how Facebook ads work. I've seen many people who are like, we need to correct our targeting. Brother, you need to create better ads. You need to talk to your audience. You need to do research. Right. I've seen people saying we need to target high quality people. Yes, you need to create high quality ad also. Right. And if somebody says we need to change our target, we are not able to reach out to the correct audiences, man, you need to create better ads. Better ads is the only solution that you can apply for your brand, apply for your brands, and get consistent result. So this is how Facebook ads work. Now there is a point like when you put in front of open target, when you put your ads in open audiences, what's going to happen? Whatever the account data that you have in your Facebook ads manager or pixel, Facebook will start showcasing ads to those people. And when you put something that is not proven and you don't have what kind of people you are going after, you put it in front of interest. Now what's going to happen? You are forcing Facebook to put in front of people that might not be interested in your ads, and that's why you get higher CPMs, higher lower click-through rate. You are not reaching out to the correct audiences, right? So it totally depends, you want to go after with open or interest, but I prefer to go with open. You can test both of these audiences and you will see that you will have better result with open. And that's it. Create better ads, man. That is the key to get success on the Facebook ads. I hope this video make any sense to you. If you want me to run ads for your business, you can reach out using the link in description. Thank you.